Alright, 1869 Nature's Way. I don't know that you'll love this location. Got an older home across the street there. But you got this RV storage park right here. It's kind of close to 98. But the road noise don't sound too bad. House itself's got some good elevation to it. Grinder pumps on this side, so that's low pressure city sewage. Everything gets ground up and sent to the city line. Take you inside. I would definitely put gutters all the way around. I did notice that. They got them here and then one section in the back. And then you can see this spot right here. They're just using a catch basin. It was built in 18, so I mean this one's pretty straightforward for the most part. Walls, paint, it's all in pretty good shape. Carpets, I'd probably replace them. I mean, they need stretched, but I'd definitely just go ahead and replace them. Bathroom. That looks like an access plate to some plumbing in the bathroom on the master side. Lots of space, very open, lots of natural light. Master bedroom is pretty big. Vanity. It's got this exit out here to the covered patio. Take you out there in a minute. All granite countertops. Laundry room. There's some pretty good storage here too. Garage. Side entry for that. Fabric shield hurricane shutters for all the windows. Now they didn't clear all this land. Nice patio. And this, you can see where your weep holes are. So you've got a pretty good footing on this house, elevation wise. This goes back here pretty far. Halfway decent brush hog would have this cleaned up in no time. A lot of scrub oaks. I see probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pines that I'd probably take down. It's just because they're pine trees, but comes back here. And it does have a pretty decent drop off right here. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it drops off. And all that land back there is the school, the new Gulf Breeze High School. little storage shed. And they've got this green mesh on the chain link fence coming back. But see, that land over there is not all the way cleared either. I'm wondering if the builder just didn't want to clear it or couldn't clear it or what. So I'll take a look at that. This one's got irrigation as well. So that's it on this one, and I'll get the other one. I'm headed there next. Let me know if you have any questions on this, but it's in pretty good shape.